for you to go there.
Good for the camera.
These are some of the for the seniors. This is their like their final presentation. They have to do a design process. I gave them a choice so that they could do their design process.
Personally, I think flooding, aerospace engineering, and I think what was it? How to start a business. And I did a little bit of research on it, and like, if you think about it, this is like major. Like, without businesses, like, where would everything we really get? And flooding is also a big problem, like in the Midwest or like in Florida. Sometimes here, like when it starts raining, when we get like, oh, it's like we pass on the roads and like warning may flash flood. So these are big deals, and I thought like maybe I can give back to my community if I focus on these. And I really learned a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, flooding is a big deal in Lancaster, the Antelope Valley, and it's not new to us, but flooding has been an issue.
People don't realize
Yeah.
how dangerous like flash floods can actually like be. Like
Yeah.
they just think, oh, it's a couple like feet of water. I think I heard it was like 6 inches because it's like a whole car, and I was like, whoa, like that's crazy.
Yeah. It's powerful.
Cause major damage, then obviously repair all the damages done after that, so preventing it is really just the main focus.
So if there's a piece of advice you can give us for strengthening the programs, maybe even at an earlier age, what would it be?
For strengthening,
Yeah, just strengthening your, maybe awareness, raising awareness for the academy, or what's some feedback you all can give us to make this even an even better academy experience?
I would say, yeah, just having more of a spread of the word, just having more people come into the academy. Because the more people we have, the more people we can produce, the more we can get out of it, teaching the youth.
Because that's what I also like noticed. I was like, oh yeah, I'm in GE, and a lot of my friends who still go to the school were like, what's that? And I was like, I don't even know what that is. Like, I'm pretty sure like well known, and like around here, and he was like, no. And then I started explaining it's like engineering, like you start off like learning the principles and like the intro to engineering, and they still didn't understand. I was like, maybe we like need to like focus on like advertising more. Like, cause I feel like we don't get like a lot of that advertising, like even like on social media, that could play like a big part on like getting people to join our program.
I didn't know what it was gonna be like. I just saw an opportunity to learn more into a study that I liked, engineering. So I joined. But once you really see what we do and what we work on, it's really fun. Even if you don't strive to be a civil engineer or an electrical engineer, just having this more hands-on experience with different aspects like drones, electronics and other things, it's really just a more fun experience rather than just sitting in a classroom and listening to the teacher talk, open textbook and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Even when I started out with GE, I mainly wanted to go full on medical field. I was gonna do nursing instead and all of that. But like my parents were all like, no, you need to do engineering. Engineering will fully help you get ready for like ultrasounds and ultra radiation if you want to become an obstetrician, which is what I normally wanted to become before I wanted to become a biomedical engineer. And I was just like, okay, you do you. I won't fight with you, okay? And yeah, it was really fun. Like my first 2 years, it was amazing.
So it's kind of like the best of both worlds, because you'll do engineering in the medical field. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Ms. Smith encourages us to be collaborative with other, not only in the academy, but we work with other departments. And a lot of new technologies. As we had a meeting on the industry sector, it's a big thing to work on the additive manufacturing, and that is our goal for the next quarter with our lessons. And the goal is for next quarter is we're gonna have all the 3D printers operational. We have 16.
16,
Yes.
great.
And most of my students, he's one of those who are trained to do the 3D printers. So far, we have problems in 3, so it's in my classroom to play with it. But the hope is the ratio for the 3D printer is 2 students for 1 3D printer. So I'm gonna do the additive manufacturing incorporate in my engineering classes.
And this is one of 3 aerospace engineering labs that was just remodeled. So you can kind of see instructional classroom space on that side, and then the collaborative makerspace on this side.
Right now, we've been mainly focusing on the 3D printers. Also, we have a project coming out here. Well, this is part of it. We're making a garden for the all 4 grade levels, where every group will have their own section to kind of work on to add on to the project. You know, fences, planters, archways, benches, all that. Every single grade level has their own part in the project.